If you are into Apple ecosystem or simply a tech fanatic, then at this point you've already heard about the leaks and news about the upcoming M3 chip. And what we've heard so far, the performance of this chipset will exceed our overall expectations. So let's jump into the details right away.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
According to Mark Gurman, the most specialized report person for Apple from Bloomberg, said the company is already working on M3-based iMac, high-end and low-end MacBook Pros. And yes, we can expect multiple variants from this M3 chip, just like the M1, M1 Pro, M2, and M2 Pro. Gurman also mentioned the base version of the M3 Pro was in a test, and the data was shared with Power On by an App Store developer. Here it says this base version of M3 Pro had 12 CPU cores, 18 graphics cores, and 36 GB of overall memory. Now, if we compare it to the previously released M2 Pro chips, the performance boost is easily noticeable. For example, the base level of M2 Pro has 10 CPU cores. Among them, 6 are performance and 4 high-efficiency cores. Besides that, it has a total of 16 graphics cores and 32 gigs of memory. Now, compared to this, the M3 Pro features 2 extra CPU cores by increasing the efficient core levels, which could lead to a massive boost to its performance. What's even more impressive, the M3 chip will be made using a 3nm manufacturing process, whereas the M2 Pro was made using 5nm process technology. Gurman also said this approach will eventually make it a higher density chip, fitting more cores into an already small processor. According to his speculation, if the higher variants such as the M3 Max get the same level of generation lead as the M2 Max, then there is a possibility that we might be able to see the next generation MacBook Pro featuring up to 14 CPU cores, and for an even higher variant M3 Ultra chip, it could go up to 28 CPU cores and maximum graphics core or higher. As of now, the official release date is still unknown since the chip is still under development, but since Mark Gurman has mentioned it, we can definitely expect to come out in front of the audience by next year. We will be back again when there will be more left to discuss, but for now, this was all about Apple's upcoming M3 chip. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below to let us know what you think. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.